Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel app tutorial. On today's video I'm going to show you how to change password on Pinterest. It's very quick and easy, so let's get started. First, open the Pinterest app on your phone. If you don't have the app yet, you can get it from Google Play Store or the Apple App Store. Once you do that, open the app, give your login details and log in into your Pinterest account. Now on your screen you can see options like home, search, create, inbox and saved. Go to saved. At the top left corner you can see your user icon. Tap on it. Then all you have to do is scroll down and tap on account management. Under account management you can find your personal information, email and password. You have to select password. There you have to give your current password. Make sure you type in the correct password, don't make any errors. Then create a new password. Don't make error again. Then you have to confirm your new password and tap on done. And guys, that's it. That's how you change your password on Pinterest. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, please give it a thumbs up, leave a comment, subscribe to our channel and hit that bell icon. See you in the next video. Thanks for watching.